Did you know moose invented in Russia? Is true! Before invention of moose, whenever wanted wanton destruction of house and home would have to find a obliging hurricane. Too soon? One day that will be funny. It will be a story to tell your younger, handsomer brother while you buy him expensive single malt scotch and overpriced cigars and compliment him on his choice of hats. But first, you have to know that people love and respect you and are here for you to help you through this. And to help you through this, here is a song! Ha!
I am a very handsome moose. I am a very handsome moose. My ears are long and my teeth are
You know what you're thinking.
but I am a
With
very
friends
handsome,
like these,
I am a very handsome,
who
I am
needs
a
an
very
enemy?
handsome moose.
We've got this moose forever
I woke
and
up a
always.
moose this morning.
Except for the enema. For that, you'll need a kit. Ha 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 ha.